Hello mothers, welcome back to my channel Rocking Abir and Mom, and today's video is an unboxing vlog, and here I'm going to unbox this big packet which I bought from Amazon. And inside this packet there is a 5-in-1 baby booster seat cum swing. So let's open. This is all-in-one multi-purpose high chair, car seat, bath seat, swing, baby chair with tray. This 5 thing is in one chair. It has large food tray with safety belts. Can be used this chair 5 times. Number 1 can be used as bath swing. Number 2 can be used as car seat. Number 3 can be used for dining. Number 4 can be used high chair. Number 5 can be used bath seat. It is heavy duty rope with super lock for your child security and suitable age 9 months to 4 years. unboxing blog, and its link is also given in the description box. It is brought from Amazon. And if you like this unboxing blog, then please click on the thumb button, please subscribe, and please hit the bell notification icon for the regular updates. So bye bye.